Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, The Psychology of Innovation. First 27 to 30 questions are multiple options. We have to choose any one option which is best suited to question. First question is, the example of the $1 Million Quartet underlines the writer's point about. Its answer is, option C, having a shared objective. जो राइटर ने $1 Million क्वार्टेट का एग्जाम्पल दिया है वो एक शेयर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव के बारे में बात करता है. Let's see in the paragraph, the 1956 picture of singers Elvis Presley, Carl Perkins, Johnny Cash and Jerry Lee Lewis jamming at a piano in Sun Studios in Memphis tells a hidden story. Sun's $1 Million Quartet could have been a quintet. Quintet का मतलब होता है a group of 5 people. Next question is, James Watson suggests that he and Francis Crick won the race to discover the DNA code because they, its answer is option A, were conscious of their own limitations. James Watson बताते हैं कि वो और फ्रांसिस क्रिक DNA कोड को डिस्कवर करने की रेस को जीत पाए थे क्योंकि उन्हें अपनी लिमिटेशंस का पता था. Let's see in the paragraph, Watson, together with Francis Crick, discovered the structure of DNA, the genetic information carrier of all living organisms. He said he and Crick had succeeded because they were aware that they were not the most intelligent of the scientists pursuing the answer. Next question is, the writer mentions competitions on breakfast cereal packets as an example of how to, its answer is option D. Strengthen commitment to an idea. ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल पैकेट्स पे कंपटीशन का एग्जाम्पल देकर राइटर बताना चाहता है कि एक आइडिया पे कमिटमेंट को कैसे मजबूत कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ, Cialdini cites scores of research papers and historical events that prove that even something as simple as writing deepens every individual's engagement in the project. It is, he says, the reason why all those competitions on breakfast cereal packets encourage us to write in saying in no more than 10 words. Next question is, in the last paragraph, the writer suggests that it is important for employees to, its answer is option B, feel that their contributions are valued. Employees को ये समझना जरूरी है कि उनका contribution कीमती है. Let's see in the paragraph, leaders should encourage everyone to contribute and simultaneously assure all concerned that every recommendation is important to making the right decision and will be given full attention. Next 31 to 35 questions are to complete the sentence with correct ending. First statement is, employees whose values match those of their employers are more likely to, its correct ending is option G, remain in their jobs. जिन एम्प्लॉयज़ की वैल्यूज़ एम्प्लॉयर के साथ मैच करती हैं वो अपनी जॉब में टिके रहते हैं. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ, रिसर्च शोज दैट द फिट बिटवीन एन एम्प्लॉयज़ वैल्यूज़ एंड अ कंपनीज वैल्यूज़ मेक्स अ डिफरेंस टू व्हाट कंट्रीब्यूशन दे मेक एंड वेदर 2 years after they join they are still at the company. Next statement is, at times of change people tend to, its answer is option A, avoid risk. चेंज के टाइम पे लोग रिस्क को अवॉइड करते हैं. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ, द वैल्यू फिट मैटर्स, से Cialdini, because innovation is, in part, a process of change, and under that pressure we, as a species, behave differently. When things change, we are hardwired to play it safe. Next question is, if people are aware of what they might lose, they will often, its answer is option A, take chances. अगर लोगों को ये पता हो कि वो क्या खो सकते हैं तो वो चांस लेते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph, studies show that we invariably take more gambles when threatened with a loss than when offered a reward. Next question is, people working under a dominant boss are liable to, its answer is option F, ignore their duties. जो लोग एक dominant boss के अंडर काम करते हैं वो अपनी ड्यूटीज को इग्नोर करते हैं. Dominant का मतलब जो रूल करता हो. Let's see in the paragraph. The wrong kind of leadership will lead to what Cialdini calls captainitis, the regrettable tendency of team members to opt out of team responsibilities that are properly theirs. Next question is, employees working in organizations with few rules are more likely to. Its answer is option B, share their ideas. जिस कंपनी में कम रूल्स होते हैं वहां के एम्प्लॉयज अपने आइडियाज को शेयर करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. At the other end of the scale is the 1980 Memphis Design Collective, a group of young designers for whom the only rule was that there were no rules. This environment encouraged a free interchange of ideas. Next 36 to 40 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, the physical surroundings in which a person works play a key role in determining their creativity. लोगों की क्रिएटिविटी इस बात पर निर्भर करती है कि उनके काम की जगह कैसी है. Let's see in the paragraph. There are nevertheless people working in luxurious, state-of-the-art centers designed to stimulate innovation who find that their environment does not make them feel at all creative. उनका environment उन्हें creative feel नहीं कराता. So its answer is no. Next question is, most people have the potential to be creative. ज़्यादातर लोगों में क्रिएटिव होने की संभावना होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Although some individuals may be more creative than others, almost every individual can be creative in the right circumstances. अगर परिस्थिति सही हो तो कोई भी इंडिविजुअल क्रिएटिव हो सकता है. तो इसका आंसर होगा yes. Next two questions are not given. Next to them is, a manager's approval of an idea is more persuasive than that of a colleague. मैनेजर का अप्रूवल कॉलीग से ज़्यादा पावरफुल होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Research shows that peer power, used horizontally not vertically, is much more powerful than any boss's speech. बॉस से ज़्यादा peer power होती है. So this is an opposite statement. Therefore its answer is no. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.